Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. In today's video, we're talking about the problem that Summerville, Georgia residents are having. Their homes have flooded, but they weren't in a high-risk flood zone. So why did the home flood?
You might have this quote in the places that we're standing right here. There's also a fridge right here next to me. Commercial property are going to be different. Whenever we're looking at doing...
Today we're addressing this problem that your Summerville, Georgia home has flooded, but you weren't in a flood zone, right? Today we're going to address that problem, and we're going to show you a solution to put in place that hopefully you never go through this financial devastation again. So let's talk about the first problem. Why did your Summerville, Georgia home flood in early September 2022? Well, this is what experts have called a 1,000-year flood. You see, in the Summerville, Georgia area, they received about 13 inches of rain in 12 hours. What they're saying is, from a probability standpoint, this should only happen once in every 1,000 years. Does that mean it's not going to happen again in your lifetime? Absolutely not. This is a probability. But one of the challenges is here, because the flood zone you're in, excessive rainfall is not used many times in determining flood maps. So you may have thought you weren't in a flood zone, but you may have really been in one. So then how do you go about protecting your family to make sure this financial devastation doesn't happen to you again? Well, flood insurance is a major financial tool that can be used to protect your family from financial devastation in a situation like this. And let's say, it's not like this is not going to happen again. We've seen it happen several times across the country in the last 6 months. St. Louis, Missouri, Eastern Kentucky, Birmingham, Alabama, North Georgia. These are all areas that have had 500-year to 1,000-year flood events in the last year. So if you've got questions about how to avoid this financial devastation that you may be going through right now after the flood of September 2022 in the Summerville, Georgia and Chautauqua County and the Chautauqua River area, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we're here to help you simplify flood insurance by putting time and money back in your life. Thank you.